In this lecture, I am going to explain you about Thousand Separator. So here, coming to the question, given an integer n, add a dot as the Thousand Separator and return it in string format. So here in this example 1, they give an input n equal to 987. So we need to apply some logic, and we need to get the output like, if they given 3 digits like 987, then that could be written in a string format like 987. And again, in the coming to example 2, they given 1234. So here we need to insert the dot in Thousand Separator. So by inserting it 1000 place, we will get 1.234 in the string format. And here coming to example 3 also, here we are just dividing the we are applying the Thousand Separator. So how can we apply this? This all I will explain clearly by doing code. So first we need to implement string builder. So with the help of string builder, first the syntax for this is string builder sb equal to new string builder. In this string builder, the given input is integer type, so we need to convert integer type to string. So how can we convert integer dot to string? So here the input value is n, so here I will mentioning n, okay. And here I will create one variable index equal to, in this index I will mention string builder name, right? So what the input is giving, that input is converting into the string, and that is storing in this variable sb. So in this index I am mentioning sb dot length and -3, okay. And here while index is greater than equal to 1, if index is greater than equal to 1, then in this what I am mentioning is, here in this all information is storing in this sb, right? So sb dot insert, where index place, what we need to insert, dot, where we need to insert the dot in the Thousand Separator, in the 1000 place. For every 3 digits we need to insert one dot. So here while repeating this loop, I will mention index -3, okay. And here I will give return type as sb to string. This I'm going to this logic I'm going to apply. Now we'll check, we'll run the code. Yeah, accepted. Now I will submit this. Yeah, it is accepted. So what is the logic is, if they given any input, first we need to create string builder. In this string builder, I'm just converting the given input integer type to string format, and again I created another variable, and in that variable I just mentioned string builder dot length and -3, that indicates the position. So here in this, while if that position is greater than or equal to 1, then what I'm doing, I'm just inserting the dot in that position for every 3 digits where dot is required. In that, there I'm just, to get the dot in that place, I just implemented some logic, and finally I just written the output in a string format. So this is the logic. If you have any queries, you can mention your doubts in commentary section, and please do like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.